My name is Rowland, and I brought in a C300 2018 Mercedes for snow tires installation, and I worked with Jesse. I chose Feldmann's because of their exceptional service and attention to detail and promptness of service. My experience today was excellent. Everything was done on time and in a good way. I recommend Feldmann Imports because, as I mentioned earlier, they're really good with their service and with their promptness, and they explain everything that they've done to your car and pay attention to detail. The thing that makes Feldmann Imports different than any other dealer is just excellent service. Over the years, I've had really good experience with them. Friendly staff, and they explain everything to you in detail. I'll come back to Feldmann Imports because of all the other things I've said before, and it's always good to see familiar faces that I've worked with in the past.